Artificial intelligence is advancing at an unprecedented rate, raising critical questions about the future of work. What will the job market look like by 2050? In 2050, millions of jobs will likely disappear, but not in the way you might think. This is more than just automation. It's a complete transformation of human work. The pace of AI development is accelerating exponentially. New models and technologies are emerging daily, capable of performing complex tasks previously reserved for humans. The jobs most susceptible to automation are those involving routine, repetitive, or heavily data-driven tasks, where AI can achieve greater efficiency and accuracy. By 2050, AI will be an integral part of the workforce, drastically reshaping every industry. Expect to see AI taking on roles from the factory floor to the corporate boardroom. Routine and data-heavy tasks, like administrative work and much of traditional manufacturing, will see near-complete automation, improving productivity but displacing workers. It's not just blue-collar jobs. White-collar professions, including legal research and financial analysis, will be transformed as AI handles complex data processing and predictive tasks. The scale of this shift will bring significant economic and societal impact, forcing us to rethink how we structure work, income, and welfare. We face a tension between potential mass unemployment and the emergence of entirely new job categories. The key challenge is managing the transition. To thrive, workers must engage in continuous reskilling and upskilling, moving away from automated tasks toward roles that leverage uniquely human capabilities. So if AI handles the routine work, what will be left for humans to do? We will pivot towards work that requires our essential human strengths. Focus will shift to creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and complex problem solving, skills AI currently struggles to replicate effectively. Expect the rise of new industries and roles focused on managing, designing, and collaborating with AI, such as AI companion roles and ethical oversight. Preparing for this future requires both individual initiative and systemic change in policy and education. Policy solutions may include exploring universal basic income, alongside adjusted education systems that prioritize creative and critical thinking over rote learning. The future of work will be challenging, but ultimately, by adapting and emphasizing uniquely human contributions, we can navigate this transformation and build a successful future alongside AI.